and welcome back to another video. On today's video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step on how I transformed myself into Sailor Mars. We're going to go over hair, makeup, how I achieved the look, and where I got the costume from, the clip-in bangs, the shoes, the whole nine. If you guys don't know, Sailor Mars does wear heels, which is a really cute touch. Everything that you guys see will be linked down below in the description area of this video. It'll take you directly to my Amazon storefront. They'll have a tab there that says Sailor Mars costume. There is also a couple of links that have other ideas for other types of costumes if you kind of want to build your own costume. I have my Melody on there, Kuromi, and Cinnamon Roll. So go ahead and check those out, as well as a boo basket portion. I am going to be making a boo basket in the very near future, so stay tuned for that. If you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before the end of this video so you can check it out when it drops. I think that's all the current updates. So let's go ahead and do phase one, which is makeup. Transform ourselves into this little baddie right here, Sailor Mars. I am going to put like a better up close for you guys so you can see what I'm seeing, but her makeup is very simple and her eyebrows look pretty thin. I definitely want to make my eyes look as big as possible, so we're gonna see kind of what I can come up with. So whenever I see people make their brows thinner, they always tend to use concealer, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going in with this multi-use concealer, and I'm just gonna like make my eyebrows look, I guess, as small as possible. I'm gonna do it on both sides. This looks like insane straight away, but trying not to get like the eyebrow hair part. When I was younger, I tweezed off majority of my eyebrows, and I regret it because they never fully like grew back the way they were supposed to. Now we have this product, which I'm excited to try. This is the box it came in. I got this from the beauty supply store, but like, how pretty is that? This is the eyeliner side, and this is the brow side. Oh my god. So while I let my eyebrows kind of settle in before, I don't know if I'm gonna go over them again to make them a little darker, but while we let them just kind of dry down, I'm gonna go ahead, put my foundation on. This is the NYX Blur Filter Foundation. I know this like shade looks a little light. It's gonna look a lot better once I bronze everything out. Okay, so she does look very, she looks very chiseled. So we're gonna wanna like contour this part so we can have more of like a V-neck, if you catch my drift. So we're gonna do that. Okay, add a little bit of contour. Oh, I guess this forehead doesn't matter. And we're definitely gonna do here. Okay, and the nose. Okay, so then we're just gonna take that contour, blend it down, blending this one to the side. I'm gonna go in with this Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. This bronzer is so good. I'm not gonna do anything with my eyes yet. I wanna keep them as big as possible. I'm not gonna bronze like I normally would there. But I am gonna set my face with this powder. This is the Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and guys, it is so good. It really locks everything in. Definitely good for my like oily skin girlies. I'm gonna powder the brow area too. I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette. I do use my palettes to the fullest. It takes forever to go through one, but this Anastasia one has been my current favorite for this year. I really liked the Friends palette. It was like by Makeup Revolution like 2 years ago. I was obsessed with it. And then finally that one was finished, or like the colors that I used the most were done. So I transitioned to a different palette. So these are the brows. Brought them back to life with some powder. We're gonna just press in a tad bit more bronzer just to chisel myself out a little bit more. And I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush to really to really contour this nose. So I'm just drawing 2 lines. Normally I would draw from here, but since I'm keeping my eyes big, I'm not doing that. And I do want to do like a circle around my nose to give myself a little illusion of a button nose. And I am gonna bake right there and right there to really shrink in the nose. I don't see her with too much blush. She's not really a blush girly, but I love blush, guys. So I'm just gonna add like a little bit, just like right here. Normally I would add the balls of my cheek, but I'm gonna like add some just like right here. That is what we're doing. Some highlight. I might actually just put highlight all over them. I know I said start the inner corner, but I just did the whole thing. Highlight really does make everything look bigger, and that is what we're going for. So now I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, there's like these 2 brown shades that I love to contour with from my eyeshadow palette, but I think I'm gonna like add some dimension here so it looks like a shadow. And then we're gonna go in with this pin again, and we're gonna use the eyeliner side. And what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna like fake draw like longer lashes. I think I also might just tight line like that. I think it's coming together. So now we're gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. Okay, so now I don't know if I should do these lashes like this, okay, or other lashes. This one lash is falling off already, or these ones. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with these ones since the other ones don't even want to cooperate. So hold on, let me put these lashes on and I'll be right back. So the lashes are on. Now we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the bake that I had. So now we're here. Let's see. She has very like simple. Her lips look very small in a lot of the stuff and very simple. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually get a brown lip liner and pair it with this lip tint that I got. So we're not gonna overline, so I'm actually gonna line inside of my lips. This is so weird for me. We do have to put the setting spray, guys, because it'll melt everything in. So I'm using this one from Lurella. It is a matte one. I'm gonna let this dry and then we're gonna work on hair. So for hair, I'm going in with this Hot Tools dryer that I recently got from TJ Maxx. I love it. It was $24. I'm gonna see if I could find it on Amazon, and I'll have that linked for you guys as well under YouTube mentions. Here, I'm just sectioning off my hair and then blow drying it through straight each strand by each strand and giving it volume. And now hair is like kind of blown out. Now I'm gonna add the bangs. These are clip-on bangs and I love them. They're so easy to use. I also got these red earrings. They kind of look like stars. I was mimicking the earrings that she has that she wears. I'm gonna go ahead and also put these on. Now the cosplay one that comes with the gloves, the little headband, the little bow that goes in the front, the little bow that goes in the back. And then it had this. I'm not sure where that goes. Maybe it's to connect the bow, but this does not have like built-in bloomers, so you're gonna have to find something to put under. Just a side note, so you just open that, you put the bow, And that's actually a lot easier than I thought. I'm gonna make it look prettier right now, but I still don't know what that is for. We'll find out. I found out the little red thing is actually a collar, and this is the thing that goes on the outfit, and it's really convenient because you just tie it. So it has this and you tie it underneath the collar. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. And it doesn't fit, guys. I got a large because I thought it was gonna run small. Rather grab and pin, and I'll be right back. I feel like I got that taken care of. You see the little red thing? I've always loved Sailor Moon since I was little. I used to watch it on Cartoon Network. Okay. We have the little tiara. Should I turn the ring light off? I think I should. Oh my gosh! Okay, so this is what it looks like. I am obsessed. Work, the pumps. Now because I had to like pin it all weird in the back, it's like lifting back here for whatever reason. But I think if you were to have a size that fit you, that would not be an issue. But let's go outside so I can show you guys what this costume looks like in motion. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!